Your jaw holds your trauma. While you sleep, your teeth grinding patterns reveal exactly what's haunting your nervous system. Jaw clenching. You're holding back anger and frustration from your day. Side-to-side grinding. Your mind is stuck replaying conversations and conflicts you can't control. Front tooth pressure. That's anxiety about the future. Fear of what's coming next. Your subconscious never stops protecting you. Even in sleep, it's processing every unresolved emotion through your jaw. Your mouth remembers what your mind tries to forget.